And here we go as regards the first test fit on the car. Now I did have to relieve the bend here and here to get it around, but as far as test fits go, this needs to be a bit more perpendicular. But overall, this needs to go in just in a little bit, but I'll manage that. This is lightly, there was 2 dents here in the original panel that they copied, so what I feel in this is probably the eye dents from the original bumper bracket. So once I cut that hole, I'll dolly that back out and hopefully be able to tap this corner in. Either that or it's just actually came out. So let's just down. So the engine cover settled, there we go. Engine cover settled in the right place. Yep, engine cover needs a bit of work, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. It's a really nice fit. Well done, guys.